Hi, now I will show you how to create a cluster in ECS, AWS Console Management. Go to the ECS, click on the Create Cluster, EC2 Linux plus Networking. Next step, cluster name, demo cluster. Demo cluster, I will create the test cluster and EC2 instance type T2 micro. I will select a VPC if you have, otherwise you can create a new one. Subnet, select a subnet mask and create. So it will take few minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. So we just wait until it will be finished. Yeah, you can see that our cluster is successfully created now. So view cluster, we will create a service. Create, we will select the task destination, revision 5 latest, test cluster, service name, my application, number of task 1, and next. Click the next step. Yeah, sorry, we need to select the forget and click next. Cluster VPC, select the cluster VPC, subnet, select the subnet, and everything will be same. Next step. Click next and create service. We can see that our service is created now. Let's go to view service. In the service, the task is in the running mode. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes for activating. We can go to the cluster, check the test cluster, service is active, and task still in pending mode. It will take 2 minutes. You can see that now the status is activating. Just click on the task, status is running, copy the public IP and paste it here. You can see that your ECS sample app is running now. So next step is how to delete the cluster. Go to the cluster, select your cluster, test cluster, and delete. Type here, delete me. Press enter, select delete. Now it will take few minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes it will take, so it will be deleted. That's it. Thank you so much.